Sometimes the biggest disasters in a home start with the smallest warning sign. What begun as a simple leak turned into a complete ceiling collapse. Water damage had been building up over time, and unfortunately, the warning signs were ignored until it was too late. To make things worse, he hired a contractor who took the money and disappeared without finishing the job. So today, I'm stepping in to help her out to rebuild this bathroom ceiling the right way, completely free. In this video, I want to show you not only how to replace a damaged ceiling, but also why routine inspections matter. Using the material that the contractor left, I had to take down some of the drywall, and here I am replacing the left side of the drywall right in front of the ceiling exhaust fan. I don't think the contractor paid attention to the layout, so I had to reconfigure the layout of the drywall so that it can be properly finished. I don't own a drywall lift, but a drywall lift would have been perfect here, although the ceilings were low to prevent the risk of injury. Learning your house and spotting stains, sagging drywalls, and small leaks can save you thousands of dollars in your house and prevent a disaster like this from happening to you. Before you go, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe because we're all about real DIY repairs, saving money, and learning the right way to fix your home before a small problem becomes a disaster. If this video helped you or taught you something new, share it with someone who needs to see it. And remember, routine inspections today can save you thousands tomorrow. I'll see you in the next project.